Hakabaide Batkajing Delay Udrox Hagajala Nakalyang Director Kasan Care Rehabilitation Center U Dr. Sandi Siem Ulong Baki Rehabilitation Center Kibadon Hakajala Menta Kilakhabnya Namar Kajingkio Kajingdon Jong Kibakirni Haudrok Kumta Ulong Makasorkar Kadeban Wanra Yaki De-Addiction Center Baki Rehabilitation Center Hakajala.
Addiction also needs to be understood that it is actually a brain disease. It is not a sin, it is not a crime, it is not because you just want to show off, but it's a crime. Everybody drinks. The whole world drinks. But very few become alcoholics. And those very few are a very large number. In the same way, young people are taking drugs. Everyone takes drugs. 25% of all children try some form of drug or the other. But not all of them become addicts. It's just unfortunate that some of them are susceptible to the disease and they become addicts. There are very few treatment centers and there is a strain on the rehab centers. Rehab centers probably need to do much more. And we need more rehab centers all across the state, all across the region, everywhere you go. See, the unscrupulous people are opening rehab centers which are substandard, to say the least. And many people, because they're frustrated, because they don't know what to do with their loved ones, they put them there. Sometimes disastrous results, but most of the times they come back with good results. I'm not saying that all of them are bad. I'm not saying that all of them are not doing good work. Most of them are doing good work.